What's up guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to be playing Animal Company and I'm going to be going to the new lava map.
Okay, I did. I hear.
Okay.
My view's about to die. We better get going. We better get going.
Come on.
I don't got any teleportation bombs.
Okay, make her up.
Yeah, I don't got them unlocked.
Holy smoke, really? I forgot the empty backpack I will need.
I need a backpack. I need a backpack. I need a backpack.
Guys, just to tell you, this is a new style. We'll need you. I have to put one of you guys. Okay, bro. You coming? Let's head. Let's go. I have no time to waste.
Don't we need an umbrella?
Hey, yo, what is Sigma? Bro.
I'm not getting an umbrella. I'm getting my grabber hook.
I know. Finally.
I'm not getting my umbrella. I'm getting my grabber hook.
Let's go.
Huh?
You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Yeah, it's dead.
Oh my gosh, I always forget, man.
Look.
Okay, sir.
Look. Activate throw
Okay.
under the map, okay?
No, my bomb!
Oh no. Yeah.
Okay. Activate it.
Let's go. Boom. Do you want to take out your grappler? You have to jump out of the right angle. Like this. That's where the grappler is. Whatever. Boom. Why do you not like this noise? There's troops. Bro, what's going on? Bro, hurry up. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
Coming down. Coming down.
Bro,
Here. I'm here, bro.
come on.
Bro, I don't know where you are. I'm here.
Okay, we're at the bottom now. There's some lava there. Like a block.
I'm right in front. Hi. Zombie monster. Nope.
Finally.
I'm going to walk with my headset like
Okay.
this.
We're in this code.
Let's sell this stuff. Wait, who are these people?
You're the one yapping.
Stop yapping.
Yeah, you too.
Stop. Who are yapping? Stop
Yeah.
yapping.
Well, I have RPG.
I'm not yapping.
Oh,
I
oh.
have a crossbow.
You're gonna try to kill me. You're gonna try to crash the game.
Okay, see what you got. See what you got in your inventory. Alright, okay, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. I can
I
buy
can
your
show you what I got.
RPG
I'll
ammo.
show you what I actually got.
Stop yapping, bro.
Okay, sure. Sure. Here's 2 RPG ammo.
No.
Okay.
Guys. I got my
Okay.
tablet. I got my tablet.
Holy
Okay, just
moly.
type in.
Sure. I'm gonna friend you too.
What? What's the code?
Since you did that,
What's the
I'm
promo
friendly.
code? My name is says Bello Kelly. Bello Kelly.
There's over 1,000 promo codes. How many do you want?
Quest. Let me add you on quest.
This do the ones
Can we
are
get
first.
another-
This do the ones are first.
This is
Oh,
yours.
Okay, the
Can I
first
get a gift?
3 or the first one?
The first
And
one.
I'm
The
about
first
to
one.
make this whole lobby rich. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. What's the first
So
promo code?
slow. I have so much stuff in my bag.
Hold on.
I forget. Did I fill up a blue bag or a brown bag? I think it was a brown. Yeah, it's a brown bag.
I'm gonna go with green.
That's so.
Wait! Don't sell them yet. Don't sell them yet. I have something.
Your mom.
Don't sell them yet. Just watch it. Just watch it. I'll get something.
Happy holidays.
Yo, bro.
That's the first promo code. The first promo code is happy
And then
holidays.
I got loot in this bag. I should go up here.
Yeah.
No.
Guys.
Okay.
Okay,
What's
so
12,000.
the first promo
Ping.
code is happy holidays.
I got
Look at that, bro. Look at this. Holy smoke.
okay.
Don't type it wrong, is it? Or it's
Okay.
fine. Fine.
Happy.
I'm going to turn off my tablet now.
Wait, how do you spell holiday? Oh wait, it give. Wait, how do you spell happy holiday?
Does it give you any more other than a costume?
Y space HOLL. I mean,
PP.
1L.
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
T
Happy.
AS. I mean,
Okay.
TAYS.
I think that's just a promo code for outfits.
Hey, how do you spell holiday? I put
Hey,
A.
you. Green. Okay.
Okay, point
Let's
that.
go.
P.
Wait, what?
O.
What is it? D?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
D.
now when you're done, click the blue enter button.
Y. S. Oh, let's go.
Boom.
Success.
Yeah. Now there's it's nothing.
Oh, let's
it's
go.
the
Wait,
elf
how do you
thing.
spell happy holidays again?
Down.
I never did the happy holidays thing. Wait, elf,
Oh,
elf,
let's
elf,
go.
elf guy,
Ah!
elf guy.
Spawn.
You're elf.
Elf. What are
You're
you
big
doing?
ears.
There's an elf. There's actually Buddy now.
What was that? Hey, elf. What's the promo code again?
Okay,
Okay.
Follow me. I'll show you. I'll show you.
End of
Wait,
the video.
I'll show you.
See you guys in the next video.
What the fuck?